Boom! Boom!
Hello dragons, what's going on? How are you all feeling? If you're feeling good, please do let me know down in the comments below. Drop a like on this video, guys. Share this video with your friends and family and hit that subscribe button, as it will help me out so very much. Now, back in nature, back into these bike rides. I'm really enjoying these right now, guys. The only form of entertainment I've got so far. It's gonna be really interesting. I'm gonna find out. So where are we going today? Wherever we are, that's going to be good.
So yeah, that's basically what we're doing. I mean, we're just chilling.
So you know where we are. Is that what you said?
I mean, to a point. I don't exactly know. I mean, it says Candy Fort. I guess that's where we are.
I don't know where we are. I think someone lit a fire.
I don't know, bro.
Well, I don't know where we are. So yeah. Some crazy forest.
We're in some random forest, alright? We literally I don't know where the fuck we are. But we're lost. So as I was saying, I mean, this is I'm pretty sure that's a golf course. I'm not too sure. Right here is Rishi. Here he is. Yeah. Focus. Sorry guys. Let me get it in focus. Where to? Wanna go back down? It's Kenilworth Road, I'm pretty sure. That man told us. And finally we can go Memorial Park. Woo! Give me a sec. Holy shit. Full speed! No hands! Look how fast we're going, guys. Coming up to your rear. What was that? There's a little pass in there. On your right. Wow, this is fast. Guys, going so fast. Watch, dog. No hands, guys, look. No hands. Same, look. Can you do that there? Record while.
Memorial Park to Ricoh Arena.
Yep.
Yo, go stand there. I want to take some pictures. Off the red-nosed reindeer had a really shiny nose. Yo, do you know all the reindeers in there? Alright, one sec.
Here he is, the Legends remaster. Whoa. Tesco's Extra. This is very late at night. It's not even late, bro. It's like 10 o'clock.
Yeah. So, little dragon. This is how much I love Christmas with all these lights. Look at the lights up there.
Wow. It's just amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Here we are. Me, him, and my good friend Rudolph.
Rudolph the reindeer.
Right,
Boom.
let's get cracking out of this area.
Bye, Rudolph. I said bye to Rudolph. Guys, these bike rides. The only thing keeping me going during this lockdown period, guys. Huh? Exactly. See, this might inspire some of you. Give you a few ideas. Go out. Just don't stay with other people. Keep with your mates. Keep with your friends and family, and everything's cool. Yeah. Ooh. But yeah, we're carrying on. So where we go now? As I said, this Christmas fever, man, I like it. I love it. But yeah, guys, look. Sure. Let's carry on going.
I'm not going down, bro. Chill.
No, there's a way to ourselves.
9:17, the next train is coming.
No, we're not getting on a train. We're getting down. Cool.
You guys like to come and get on the train.
Where we're going?
Let's go. There we are.
And now we're going up, up and away. Love this. Just beat it. Ricoh Arena, guys. Look at this. Beautiful, guys.
Recording.
Yeah.
Go.
Yo, let's go. Are you going up? Nice. Wow, look at that. This building is so high, bro. Whoa. Jesus, you're not meant to be up there. Look at that. Let me take a look at that. Nah, bro, I'm good. Bro, okay. So happy to get pulled by security. Nice. Okay, guys, just look at that fucking drop. Oh my god. Alright, let's get going.
Come.
Right. Nice.